अभी की ब्रीडिंग के इसमें बुल का इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है?
It is like human beings, na? Because if you have a good genetic, you produce well. So bull is very important. Na? Unless you have a good sire, you cannot produce good progeny.
Can you give us some information about Raj?
Raj is about old Raj, I can tell you.
Okay, yeah, got it. Old Raj.
Raj was one of my very good cow's son.
Okay,
And the cow had the immunity, resistance, good trait of milk, and health-wise she was very good. Conformation was very good.
okay,
Breed character were excellent.
okay. सिर्फ राज का थोड़ा हाइट मेरे ख्याल से थोड़ा
That was because of the inbreeding.
ओके
little
अभी
bit
भी जो
of-
आगे भी राज जो मेल काउ
No,
से
Raj production
हाँ.
was not small.
ओके राज ओके
Progeny was always big,
ओके
whether female or male.
ओके
Raj itself was small because by some mistake we had done inbreeding.
जो फिट अडर होता है अभी जो काउज में उसके लिए किस टाइप का बुल इम्पोर्टेंट है?
That
Selection
is
again.
very easy. Yeah?
ओके
Easy in a sense that you have to select a bull
ओके
with parents from both the sides, from mother side as well as from the father side.
ओके
They should have good udders. The mothers should have good udders.
ओके एंड
So that trait they will pass it in the future generation.
okay because nowadays the major problem is mastitis mastitis so
Mastitis is something, well, if you have selected a bull
correct
which parents were resistant to this mastitis,
Yeah.
it is always better. But otherwise, secondly, the mastitis is not a disease created by a human being, more or less.
अच्छा
More or less, because you know, if there is some mistake, the milker doesn't tell you
okay
that udder is having a swollen or it is having this problem or that. If you are milking your own cows, you come to know
Correct.
that by touching to this particular teat, the cow doesn't feel comfortable.
correct
So you start treating at that time. Initial treatment always cures matter.
okay so it has to be cured within few hours or
Not few hours, few days.
few days okay
You have to start taking precautions from the very beginning, washing, cleaning,
correct
and after milking, if you use iodine or something
okay after milking.
in washing, it would be always better. You can cure it.
और एक मेन क्वेश्चन था जब भी बछड़ा या बछड़ी होते हैं तो उनका ग्रोथ के लिए कितना मिल्क उनको पिलाना चाहिए? समटाइम्स पीपल जस्ट गिव ऑल द 4 टेट्स, समटाइम्स जस्ट 1 टेट, समटाइम्स 2 टेट्स. व्हाट डू यू थिंक इज द आइडियल वे ऑफ अपब्रिंगिंग?
For first 1 month, you have to be careful.
ओके
Give enough which it can digest.
ओके ओके
After that, you can allow him to suckle more.
ओके
And also it depends on the way you keep your young stock.
ओके
If you keep it free, allow them to do proper exercise and
Correct.
everything, then they can have more milk.
ओके इसका आगे फ्यूचर ब्रीडिंग के तरफ ज़्यादा जा रहा है गिर काउज में या मिल्किंग की तरफ इंडस्ट्री ज़्यादा फोकस कर रही है? डू यू हैव एनी?
No, I didn't get your question.
Are all the people who are purchasing cows, are they focusing more towards milk these days or more towards better breed these days?
That depends on the individual. I mean, you might be more worried about the milk side.
Correct.
Another chap might be more worried about the character of the
Okay.
animals.
Okay,
And milk, even Holstein Friesian gives.
okay,
So you have to balance both.
both. Correct. और फीड पे आप कुछ कह सकते हैं क्या? फीड अभी मिक्स फीड जो है वो कितना देना चाहिए और क्या proportion में आप कुछ idea दे सकते हैं अगर what kind of mixed feed do you usually give? We have stopped giving cotton seed completely. Cotton seed से हमने ये देखा कि कंसीव होने में काउस को आगे प्रॉब्लम आ रही थी, तो I have completely stopped giving cotton seed.
It's difficult to give you a correct answer because you know you live in Bombay, I live here.
Correct.
What I am feeding my cattle, because I get it from surrounding area.
Correct.
You would be getting it from surrounding area. What soil, what properties of soils are there, I don't know.
Correct.
What minerals is already there in the feed, we
Okay.
don't know.
Correct.
So you have to make the analysis
Okay.
and then. But by and large, Bombay is one place where cattle remain good in condition and everything.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
So if you give, say 1/4 dry
Okay.
and rest green fodder,
Okay.
it should be okay.
It should be okay. And what about the concentrated feed?
Again, it depends on, because you know you want to do the breeding, you want to keep more animals, so
Yes.
expenses is very important.
Correct. Exactly. This is where everybody is failing.
Mm.
Yeah.
So whatever is cheaply available there,
Okay.
for example, दाल क्या बोलते हैं आप?
उड़द दाल.
उड़द दाल, तुअर दाल,
चूनी. हाँ.
मग दाल,
हाँ.
चने की दाल, whichever is cheap, you buy that, you add some गेहूं का भूसा,
Yes.
and then maize,
Okay.
and it all depends on the availability of things, soya beans,
Correct.
this, that. You
So
have
it is not.
to mix it in a proportion
Okay.
and then feed them.
Okay. So it is not necessary कि एक ही टाइप का फीड हर बार देना चाहिए, ऐसा
No,
नहीं है.
not necessary.
कि लोग कहते हैं कि
It is
अगर
like, yeah, I mean, any other animal.
करेक्ट.
You know, they get, or even human beings.
Yeah.
I mean, some people prefer rice, some people prefer wheat,
Correct.
like that. But I mean, if you keep on rotating
Correct.
and giving them
As per
mixture,
what is needed.
yes, it is good.
So it's a myth कि आज अगर आपने कॉटन सीड दिया, कल आपने कुछ और दिया तो गाय में कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा.
No, because they get into habit, na?
Yeah.
What you are giving them, if they like it,
Yeah.
you give them.
Okay.
But cotton seed cake, as you said, is it makes a lot of difference. I mean, if you give them more in quantity, it will
Yeah.
create problem in fertility
Correct. For both for bull and
for bulls as well as cows.
okay. One last question. Bull management में means, मेरे को कुछ आइडिया चाहिए था कि कभी कभी क्या होता है, गिर बुल्स जो है थोड़े टाइम के सर्विसिंग बंद कर देते हैं, उन लोग दे बिकम लिटिल इनफर्टाइल, तो उनके लिए कैसे
There
मैनेज
could
कर
be
सकते
2-3 problems.
हैं?
They may not be getting good exercise.
ओके.
They may not be getting proper food.
ओके.
They may be having some problems with some food.
ओके.
But if you regularly give some good carrots
ओके.
and groundnut oil
ओके.
once a week or something,
ओके.
good for them, for immunity and even for the vigor.
Okay. Okay. So anything, any tip you would like to give from your end about pursuing this?
Anybody can say many things about
Correct.
this thing, na? But by seeing your cattle,
Yeah.
I think they are treated properly.
Okay. Thank you so much.
I think they are treated properly and they are reasonably good animals.
Okay. So they are at least towards some purity. Yes.
They are definitely, by using good bulls,
Yeah.
you can improve.
Yeah. Bulls like Raj or Baldev might.
Even better bulls
Even better
that are
bulls.
available.
Okay. Like what kind of bull do you think I should go for?
You go for the first of all, if it is naturally resistance
Huh.
against
Okay.
this mastitis,
Okay.
against their hooves,
Okay.
and coming from a herd which is more or less disease free.
ओके बिकॉज काफ़ी बुल्स में देखा, मेरे पास भी 2 बुल्स हैं, उनके सींग में और कान के बीच में प्रॉब्लम होना चालू हो जाता है,
वो था।
तो उसके लिए अभी रेगुलरली ड्रेसिंग करते रहना पड़ता है. तो
That is a big problem
With
when
most of the bulls.
again bulls with a round horn
ओके
and flat horn.
या
If you have flatter horns, they are always better.
ओके फ्लैट लाइक अर्जुन और
Arjun was having a flatter horn,
yeah.
but Arjun had a lot of other defects.
अच्छा लाइक इफ यू
Huh?
एलाबोरेट अ बिट.
Arjun had very weak hooves,
ओके
so you cannot improve one thing and
करेक्ट.
so better not to use that.
ओके बिकॉज राज का तो मुझे वही प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है कि
I mean, Raj is always definitely a much stronger animal.
राज या ही हैज नेवर फॉलन सिक और कभी कंसीव कराना बंद नहीं किया है, ऑलवेज गिविंग गुड रिजल्ट्स एंड द रिजल्ट्स आर एक्सीलेंट. बट अभी क्या, बिकॉज वो इतना गोज टू अ वेरी एक्सपेंसिव साइड, तो हर कोई राज अफोर्ड नहीं कर पाता है. सो
Expensive bull is never expensive.
ओके
You buy using 5 lakhs or 10 lakhs rupees, you produce 25 lakhs.
करेक्ट एग्जैक्टली एब्सोल्युटली. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर गिविंग अ
Thank
शॉर्ट
you.
इंटरव्यू. नाउ वी कैन गो ऑफ द कैमरा.
Thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच.